here we are. Everyone's working busy on the farm. Our massive 660 square metre lot, 3/4 of it taken up by a house. Farmers Marguerite, Joseph, Felicity and Mum sporting the latest Dry Bone outfits. What's Max up to? Max, your farm dog, what are you doing? Get around, Max. Bring him in. Rawhide. Right back to the workers on the back of the ute. How's the tractor? Big hello for the camera, please. Big hello for the camera. Look at that. Look at Marguerite. Good farmer, Marg. Look at that, working as a team. No one bumping into anyone else. What a great team. There's the foreman. And as you can see down there, we've put in a crop of corn, a massive 28 seeds. Should bring in a couple of $1,000. No, the corn seeds. We're going to grow them and reap the crop. Oh, hang on, farmhand Joseph. You've got to keep working. I think we've got an industrial dispute. How's the farm dog? Oh, there goes Joe. How was that, Joe? Good working on the back of a ute, like on a farm. Say goodbye to the camera. Joe, say goodbye.